In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a ClickUp status. By the end, you'll know exactly how to access your account, set a status if you need to, and then remove it so your availability returns to default. Start by heading to the ClickUp website in your web browser. It's often called the Everything app for work because it brings tasks, projects, and collaboration into one place. If you don't have the exact address handy, a quick search for ClickUp Login will take you where you need to go. On the homepage, choose Login. If you're new to ClickUp, you can sign up first, but if you already have an account, enter the email you used when registering. Take a moment to make sure there are no typos. Accuracy here prevents those annoying login errors. Next, enter your password. Keep it confidential and strong with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. When everything looks right, click the Login button and give it a moment to load. If you run into trouble, double-check both fields for small mistakes. Once you're in, you'll land on the ClickUp dashboard. From here, head to your Workspace Home or Overview page. This is where your projects and tasks are organized, and it's also where you can quickly adjust how others see your availability. To access your status, click your profile picture icon in the top right corner. Choose Set Status. You can type a custom status from scratch. Great for something specific like heads down on reports, or select one of the ready-made options. Statuses help teammates know whether you're online, on vacation, or focused on key priorities, which keeps collaboration smooth and expectations clear. When you've made your choice, click Save. Your status is now active. Now, let's delete that status. Open the same profile icon in the top right again, and click into your current status. From here, remove or clear the status so it no longer displays next to your name. Click Save. Once more. That's it. Your status is cleared and your availability reverts to the default, reducing any confusion about whether you're busy or away. You've just learned how to delete a ClickUp status. It's a simple action, but managing these little details improves how you communicate with your team and keeps your workflow tidy. We covered getting to the site, logging in securely, navigating to your workspace, setting a status, and then removing it. If this tutorial helped, please like the video and consider subscribing for more quick, clear walkthroughs. Thanks for watching and happy productivity.